How's it going? It's Mr. S, Lone Star Sports Cards, coming to you live from beautiful Victoria, Texas. Doing a little 5-box mixer tonight. One box of 2020 Diamond Kings, one box of 2020 Topps Finest, one box of 2019 Leaf Flash, and two boxes of 2020 Topps Chrome. Hoping to pull one of those big name rookies out of Top Chrome tonight. Some other potential bangers in there. But let's go. Let's get started with some Diamond Kings. Second box of this I've opened. First box is actually pretty nice, so hopefully we can continue that. If I can get it open. There it goes. Empty box. Alright. Good luck, y'all. Let's see what we can get. If I can open packs. Kind of important thing to be able to do. Hope everybody's having a good night, good week. Happy Thursday. One more day till Friday. I tried to convince my wife to let me go get margaritas tonight, but she told me I have to wait till the weekend since we're back in school. So that was a bummer. It's the last week that I'm not going to have after school sports to do for a long time. Well, at least as long as they'll let us play, I guess. But pretty much going to be doing after school sports until after spring break. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers, hopefully that's what happens. Don't really ever miss being in the classroom, but I definitely miss being able to coach. Miss that part of it for sure. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Alright. Let's get... Oh wait, I know. I've forgotten. I'm going to switch the settings real quick. So... autofocus is not a thing. Camera control. Don't apply. Okay. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. Alright. Johnny Pesky. Brian Anderson. Larry Walker, Isan Diaz rookie. Frankie Baker. There's a good one. Mr. Robert. Didn't take long to get our first Robert signing. I noticed he wasn't in the lineup today, and I think he wasn't in the lineup yesterday. Is there anything? Anybody know anything about that? Is he injured? Old school Verlander. Kirby. Honus Wagner. Patrick Sandoval rookie, Matt Thaiss rookie, Harper, Erskine, and behind Erskine is our first hit, so I'm going to flip it. I'm pretty sure it's backwards, right? Or is it frontwards? It's backwards. Alright. That's Erskine. Okay. Evan Longoria, Diamond Kings. Alright, Mr. Petey, he's hiding. Oh. Oh. Looks like got a pinstripe in there, and it's for the Twins. Quad patch auto, Jose Barrios, Pete Alonso, Gallery Stars. Twins first on the board tonight. Picked up by Sal. I think one of the last 3 teams claimed was the Twins. Jose Barrios, 4 swatch. Sticker auto, but it looks clean. Looks good. There you go, Sal. Nice start to this break. Jose Barrios. Little white on that corner down there. Okay, that's not bad. Little vet auto there. Joe Wood, Bell, Ripken, Johnson, Rojas rookie. Joe McCarthy, Molitor, Pujols, Kershaw, Babe Ruth, Bryant, Berra, Kettle. Then we got a purple frame, Yogi Berra. Joe DiMaggio, Nolan Ryan, Carl Hubble, Bert Blyleven. Got a Toro rookie who's now going to be playing pretty regularly for the Astros now that Bregman's out. Goose Goslin, Buster Posey, Aquino rookie, Piazza, Merrifield, Matthews, Mellott, Sam Hilliard rookie for the Rockies, Charlie Keller, Pete Rose, and behind Pete Rose is our next hit. Going up to the Cubbies, Javi Baez. This is the base version. So a little chipping down here on the bottom. Got a blue single color blue swatch and a single color white swatch. Game worn, game used. That's good. Going out to the Cubs and Jonathan B. Here you go, man. A couple of vets from Diamond Kings there. The chipping along that bottom edge, along that foil, is definitely not great. Alright. Well, that was our 2 hits out of Diamond Kings. They came pretty quick. Maybe we'll get some numbered stuff coming up. Alright. Tony Gwynn, George Brett, and we have a Dustin May who's pitching really well. His stuff is actually kind of going for a lot more than I thought it would. Eddie Stanky, Bum, Zach Gallen rookie, Cochran, Yamamoto rookie, Rizzo, Baez rookie, Flattery, Mr. Jordan, Mr. Out for the Year, Jordan Alvarez, going out to the Astros, and Dustin. Oh man, when I saw that, it was like, crushed me, man, crushed me. Trust Speaker, Mendick rookie, Jackie Robinson, Stan Musial silver frame, going out to the Cardinals. Gallery of Stars, Tatis Jr. So Tatis Jr. rookie, insert. Sorry, not rookie. That dude is on fire. Luke Garrett, Jake Rogers rookie. Hornsby, Suttles, Willie Castro rookie. Harvey, Nolan Arenado, Jackie Robinson, Rizzo, Killebrew, Don Larson, Baez, Howard, Bobby Bradley rookie, Big Hurt, Sam Rice, Demerite rookie, Billy Williams, Sewell, Ted Williams, Evan Rios, and Zach Collins rookies. Tim Anderson, this dude is killing it too. Miguel Cabrera, Satchel Paige, Keston, Joe, Cody, Stan the Man, Bryce Harper gray frame, Mike Trout insert, and Aaron Killebrew. Alright. Well, that was pretty quick, paintless. How about, let's do one of the box of chrome, and then we'll finish with a box of chrome. Just to throw some variety in here. As always with chrome, there can be some really good boxes and there can be some really stinkers. Let's hope we got a couple of good ones here. A lot of packs to open. Hopefully they open smoothly. Let's get all the good rookies. Let's get some good color. Let's get at least one solid auto in here. I see the Robert Chrome rookies are already going for kind of silly amounts. I saw one the other day. It might have been a first Bowman. No, I can't remember. I shared it with Sean. He would be able to remember what I shared. But they were asking $5 grand for it, $5,500. And so I was curious. I went online and I just looked up different like sports memorabilia and like what I could get for $5,500. And like there's so much other stuff that I would want and that I could afford with that money than paying that much for a guy who's played in 20 regular season games. But that's just my opinion. Astros won again today, I saw. 8 in a row, I believe. Starting to get a little bit of their mojo back. Altuve slowly creeping up to 200. That's I mean, it is what it is, but I was pretty surprised by how slow of a start he had. Lots of ripping tonight. Lots of ripping tonight. Lots of rookies. Let's see some good autos. Alright, Topps Chrome, let's go. Alright, here we go. Lorenzo Cain, Candelario. And we got a Rafi Devers refractor. Colin Moran, Chapman, Votto, Gurriel Prismatic, Demerite rookie, Lopez. There's a good one. Bo. This guy might be playing the best out of all the rookies. Bo Bichette. Nice one for the Blue Jays. Pretty sure Blue Jays are picked up by Charles. There you go. Got you a Bo rookie. Samardzija, Paddock, Soto, Robel rookie, and then we got a Samardzija refractor, Domingo Leyba rookie. Oh, we got an Amber Alert coming in. Santander, Munoz rookie. I'm gonna move that. Whoa, there you go. Okay, auto right there. Base auto of Robert Duggar for the Miami Marlins. And Jason T. There you go, man. Miami Marlins with the first auto out of Chrome. Robert Duggar. Don't know. Drafted by the Mariners in 2016. 18th overall, or the 18th round. I can't tell. 18th round, probably. Alright. Noah Syndergaard, Aaron Nola, Yamamoto rookie, Eloy, 35th anniversary, Jake Rogers. Eloy had a home run today. Brian Reynolds, future star, Freddie Freeman refractor, Petey, Gurriel, Hunter. We got a rookie prismatic of Randy Arozarena for the Cardinals. Azalea rookie. negative of Nick Senzel. That's not bad. Struggling a little bit this year, but I think he still has a chance to be good. Sheldon Neuse, freshman flash. Francisco Lindor, Gio Kershaw. Chapman refractor. There we go. There you go, Sean. Nice Gavin Lux. Looks pretty clean. No surface issues that I can tell. Arias Schwaba, Sandy Koufax die cut for the Dodgers. Albies, Witt, Arcia, Rhys Hoskins 35th anniversary. Then we got a Kyle Lewis rookie for the Mariners. Not bad. So that's Bichette, Lux, and Lewis. We just need a couple more. Robert and DJ Dylan Cease rookie. Kevin Newman refractor. Guzman, Cruz, Rendon, and then a prismatic of Brandon Crawford. Followed by Arenteros rookie. Yelly, followed by a blue wave of Xander Bogaerts going to the Boston Red Sox. Blue wave. That's 51 of 75. It's on the Red Sox tonight. Lewis, there you go, man. I'm pretty sure you're a Red Sox fan. Blue wave Xander, not bad. Let's go ahead and slide that to the back because I think that's our auto. Yeah. All right. Gonsolin rookie. He pitched pretty well the other day. Kingery. Oh, Bo Bichette refractor. Nice. There you go, Charles. Is that on his sock? Or is that on his card? No, it's on his sock. Okay. I was looking at that white spot. It's on his sock. It's not on the card. Looks pretty clean, man. Looks like a good one. Refractor rookie. Nice. I'll go ahead and top load that one. I'll go ahead and top load it. Bo Bichette refractor. Nice. Okay. Ozzy Albies. Belt. Laureano. Benintendi. Josh Hader, Kepler, Juan Soto, 35th, Bregman, Graterol rookie, Urena, Matt Olson refractor, Jose Abreu, Max Muncy, Nico rookie, Jose Ramirez, Chris Bryant 35th, Ray, Seth Brown rookie, Conforto. Then we got a Trey Mancini prismatic for the Orioles. Flaherty, Dubon rookie, John Means, Aquino freshman flash. All right, getting towards the end here. Future stars: Will Smith, Austin Meadows, Vladdy, Luis Castillo. Refractor Pablo Lopez, Mike Trout, Alex Young, Manny Machado, and our autograph is Brian Abreu. Going to the Astros. Rookie autograph, Brian Abreu. And Dustin, there you go, man. Probably not the Astro rookie you're looking for, if I had to bet. There you go. All right. This is all our base. I'm going to go ahead and move this. I'm going to go ahead and start a new pile of rookie stuff because this pile's getting kind of tall. So we're going to set that over there. All right. Let's do some finest. Got a couple decent boxes of finest. so far this year. Let's see if we can't keep it going. Empty. Empty. All right, let's get something nice out of Finest here. Good thing about Finest is that their distribution is pretty solid, so you're pretty much guaranteed to get one of every one of the big rookies in every box, which is nice. So if you're hunting the rookies and you want to be guaranteed one, just buy a box of Finest. It's a quiet night tonight. I wonder where everybody is at. Got a green refractor. I can't tell if it's an auto or not, but we do have a green refractor. Alright. Let's see what we got in Finest. Okay, Tim Anderson, Rafi Devers, Adrian Mordron rookie. And that is a refractor, by the way. Garrett Cole, Kershaw, Barrios, Giancarlo Stanton, and a blue refractor of, nice, Gavin Lux. There you go, Sean. This is a second short print Gavin Lux I pulled for you in a couple weeks. 94 of 150. If you're going to get a blue refractor, probably want it to be one of the rookies. Definitely got a surface mark right there. You see it? Yep, right there. There it is. I don't know if that can be buffed out. It almost looks like an indentation, but it's hard to tell. That's kind of a bummer. Still, not a terrible pull there. So that means this must be our auto. It is a green refractor. So let's go ahead and let's slow roll it. Alright. That is a Christian Yelich refractor. Javi Baez, Zach Greinke, AJ Puk rookie, Scherzer, Acuna, and Riley pulled a red refractor version of this earlier. Aquino, Verlander, Zach Collins rookie, Dylan Cease Finest First rookie, Bo Bichette the Man rookie. That's a nice one. I like these the Man inserts. They're kind of cool. Bo popping up a lot tonight. Toro, Sheldon Noose rookie. What am I doing? Shouldn't that be a rookie? Wait a second. Shouldn't Toro be a rookie? Am I smoking crack? Sheldon Noose, rookie. Blackman, Machado, Soto, refractor. Sorry, getting a little off camera there. Trent Grisham, rookie. Isan Diaz, rookie. Justin Turner, Yu Darvish, Benintendi, Harper, Arenado, Clevenger, Chapman, and the Man Dylan Cease rookie. Springer, Rizzo, Gritterall rookie. Oh, I was going to solo it, but I didn't. So there we go. Jake Rogers going to the Tigers. And Jason. Jake Rogers, rookie auto. That's base version, so it won't be numbered. So far, autos have been not the strongest. Let's pick it up. Gleiber refractor. Meadows, Eloy, Kane, Dustin May rookie, Arenado and Rogers, Strasburg, Vladdy, Merrifield, Keston, the man Mike Yastrzemski is actually playing really well, Acuna, Story, Solar, Rosario. Alright. Pete Alonso, Gurriel, Mike Trout, Shohei, Simeon. You know what? I don't think we got all the rookies. I thought we were. Well, shows I shouldn't speak before I open. Alright. It is a green refractor. It should be an auto. He's got a ball in his hand. Oh, and it looks like he's wearing a shoulder pad, so it looks like a catcher. 14/99. Will Smith going to the Dodgers. And Sean Carone. There you go, my friend. 14/99. Will Smith. Green refractor auto. Actually, non-rookie auto out of Finest are somewhat rare. There you go, Will Smith. Alright, this may be unconventional, but I'm going to leave Flash for last. I have a feeling that Flash is going to provide us with a bigger boom tonight, so I'm going to leave that for last. And that may be unconventional, but it's just what I'm going to do. Since I'm the only one here, I'm going to do what I want to do. Still only 4. 24 more packs of Chrome coming up. Let's get something going here, man. This is getting kind of a dead break. Nothing too fancy coming out so far. So our next break, I actually have a couple of different options. I can do another kind of mixer with current product. Top Chrome would be in it, some Optic, Tier 1, and Absolute, and something else, I can't remember. Or I could do, I did pick up a box of 2019 Bowman Draft, and I could do a prospect mixer with the box of draft, and then to kind of provide more hits for less bang or less money. I was going to mix in a couple boxes of Leaf product, the Leaf Flash, maybe a box of Leaf Valiant Ultimate, to try to, draft is a pretty expensive product, and there's only 3 hits, so I kind of wanted to add some hits, and they're all essentially kind of the same prospects, so it kind of makes sense to do them together. Hey, what's up, Sean? No problem, man. Good to see you. Thanks for dropping in. So I'm kind of trying to decide whether I'm going to do the prospect mixer or a mixer kind of similar to this one, a little bit different variety, but I kind of feel like doing the prospect one just to do something a little bit different. Haven't opened drafts in a while, so we'll see. All right, here we go. Box 2 of Chrome. Hopefully it's a little better than box 1. Shohei Adames Giolito refractor. He pitched well today. I think he had like 15 strikeouts. Goalie German Marquez. Shohei. And we have prismatic refractor of Michael Baez, rookie. Nicky Lopez. We got purple coming up, y'all. Good luck. Simmons. Is this going to be our auto? Nope. But it is Tim Anderson. That's not bad. Tim Anderson playing out of his mind right now for the White Sox. 259 of 299. Purple. I wonder what the value of... I haven't looked up the value of any of his cards. Surely it's got to be going up somewhat. I mean, this kid has been killing it. I mean, really just killing it. Let's try to save our autos this time around. Alright, so that's one auto on the bottom. Alright. Santana Simeon prismatic of Hunter Dozier. Justin Dunn rookie. Vogelbach. There's a Jordan. Alright. Going out to the Stros and Dustin. Do have a little tiny dimple right at the top corner. I don't know if it's going to be on the show. There's a little surface imperfection there. Sorry about that. Kevin Biggio, Future Stars. Hoskins, Trey Turner. Puck rookie. Votto, Abraham Toro rookie. Yeah, see? Weird. Patrick Corbin. Anthony K. Oh, our next auto didn't get hidden by me. Bad job, John. There it is. Blue refractor. Jonathan Hernandez going out to the Taylor G and the Rangers. I feel like you hadn't had the Rangers in a while. There you go, man. Jonathan Hernandez. That is going to be number 100 of 150. Going out to Taylor and the Rangers. Probably watching the Stars game right now, if I had to guess. Pretty sure the Stars are playing right now. Hold on a second. This hangnails bother me. Alright. Well, one auto left in Chrome. Robbie Ray. Villar. Collins. Here's a nice Lux. 35th anniversary Lux. Centering is not perfect, but those are nice looking cards. Alright, Bobby Bradley rookie. Tuve. Tauchman. Archie Bradley refractor. Azareno rookie. Fulmer. Charlie. Matt Olson prismatic. That's a cool looking card. With all his teammates in the background. That's a nice picture. Trey Mancini. We have red coming up? Or is that just... No, it's fooling me. I got fooled. Sam Hilliard rookie. Jesus Luzardo rookie. Sheldon Noisy rookie. Or Noise, I don't know how to pronounce it. Mazar, Kevin Biggio. I think this card got Sean too, if I'm not mistaken. Josh Hader refractor. Brian Anderson, Rosario, Edwin Rios rookie. Oh, nice. Babe Ruth die cut. Cool. Morjon rookie. Eloy Gold Cup. Mikolos Keston. Kikuchi. Got beat up again today. Alright. Chris Archer. Burke rookie. Goldschmidt refractor. Gallo. Snell. There we go. Alright. There we go. Luis Robert rookie. Might have a little bit of surface issue there. No big printing lines. Back corner a little rough. But otherwise, nice example. That's what I thought. It looked like a red refractor, man. It actually looked like a pinkish purple refractor, so guess I should have known there's no such thing as a pinkish purple refractor. Alright. Well, we got one of the Roberts. There's Kevin Newman Prismatic, Nola Rookie, Kettle, Bueller, Freshman Flash Bow, J.D. Martinez, Paul DeYoung, Yamakata, Lorenzo Cain Refractor, Springer Dinger, Dansby Swanson, Future Stars Michael Chavez, Archie Bradley, Rowdy Talese, Alberto Mondesi Jr., and a Jesus Lazardo Rookie, 35th anniversary. Lucas Giolito, Matt Olson, Trevor Story, Ian Desmond. There we go. Alright, that's another nice Robert. And centering is not good. But almost every one of these that I've seen, the centering has been not the best in the world. Guzman, Bogarts, Acuna, Nicky Lopez Refractor, Kai Boone, Freeman, Arenado, Correa, Candelario Refractor, Rafi Devers, Urias, Mookie Betts is hiding our last hit of chrome. Good luck. See what we got. Oh, it's a reddish hat. Oh, it's an angel. It's an angel. It's a pitching angel. It's Jose Rodriguez. Rookie autograph. Going out to the Angels and Sal. Well, I have more chrome to break, but I'm honestly struggling with the prices that these are at. These are our chrome hits. Not that I mean, for those who got them, great. I'm happy for you. But we got 4 pitchers, 3 of them base. Blue refractor's not bad. 4 pitchers out of 2 boxes. Oh well. Congrats to those who did get a hit. I'm sorry we didn't get any of the big guys. Alright, Leaf Flash. Leaf Flash is here to save the day. Flash to save the day. Big hitter coming. Come on. Big hitter coming. Six autos coming. Six autos coming here. Let's get some big names. First up, we got a green version of Hudson Head. Hudson Head. And that is 6 of 15. Nice, low numbered. Pretty sure Hudson Head is the Padres. I'll double check real quick here. Got it listed right up. Padres. Hudson Head. Who's on the Padres? Jonathan B. There you go. Nice low numbered one. Next one up, we got a purple Cody Freeman. Purple Cody Freeman. Cody Freeman. Freeman. That is number 1 of 25. Cody Freeman is a Texas Ranger. There you go, Taylor. Next one up, I believe, is a Cardinal. It's either Cardinal or White Sox. Flash forward Zach Thompson. That is a base, not numbered. Is he a White Sox or a Cardinal? I can't remember. Pretty sure Cardinal. Zach Thompson is a Cardinal. Who's on the Cardinals? Jason T. Next one up I know is a Houston Astro. Corey Lee. Going out to Dustin and the Astros. Number 1 of 10. Wow, that's really low number. Orange is number 10. Number 1 of 10 for Corey Lee. This one is going out to the Oakland A's. Logan Davison, Oakland A's. Charles B. Not numbered. Last hit of the break. It's a nice hit, but it's not a boomer. Green plays for a team on the West Coast, and that team is the Giants. Hunter Bishop. Top 10 pick, so not bad. Green version, numbered 15 of 15. Going out to the Giants and Joe H. There you go, Joe. First time I mentioned your name tonight. All right, well, that will do it. I am not ashamed to admit that felt like a dud. That felt like a dud. But we still got some nice stuff. Let's do a quick recap here. Some of the bigger rookies, we got a couple of nice chromes. Bichette refractor, very nice. Looked really clean to me. I think it's got some good potential in it. And then Robert chrome. And then Gavin Lux blue refractor under the Dodgers. Our one relic was Javi Baez out of Diamond Kings for the Cubbies. Also out of Diamond Kings, our one patch relic, or relic auto, Jose Berrios. Going to the Twinkies in Sal. Alright, then our autos. Hunter Bishop for the Giants. That was numbered to 15. Logan Davidson for the A's. Corey Lee for the Astros. That's numbered to 10. Zach Thompson for the Cards. Cody Freeman for the Rangers. Numbered to 25. Hudson Head for the Padres. Numbered to 15. Got a Will Smith going out to the Dodgers. Green refractor 99. Jake Rogers rookie auto going to the Tigers. And then out of Topps Chrome, we had a blue refractor of Jonathan Hernandez. Base rookies of Jose Rodriguez, Brian Abreu, and Robert Duggar. That will do it, y'all. I appreciate the fill. This filled 100% on Facebook this time. So again, thank y'all very much. I really appreciate the support each and every week. Sorry this one didn't exactly bring the heat. So hopefully next time we'll bust out and pull some really crazy stuff. I'll post the next break in the next couple days. And other than that, y'all have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Later.